Good morning, Mr. Outlaw. Can you unmute?
Good morning.
Good morning. My understanding is that this is going to be amended to an impeding. Is that correct?
Yes, that's what I was told.
Correct. Thanks. So sorry about that. I wasn't paying attention that you were there. Hi, Jack. Good morning. I'll amend it to an impeding. It's a $250 ticket. Can you pay that within the week?
Yes.
Okay, just pay it within the next 7 days. You can either come live to the court, pay it online, or mail it in, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Have a great day.
All right. You too.
The question marks mean I emailed.
Good morning, Sona.
Hi, Michelle.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. What are you hearing?
I'm just actually standing in for the Najee Neely case.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So just that one.
Yeah, we haven't seen them yet. Okay.
Okay. Is it set? I don't even know. Is it set for 8:30?
It is.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Good morning, Mr. Lawrence. Sorry, you didn't have attorney or anything in front of it, so I
Yeah,
didn't know.
no. Good morning to you.
We haven't heard from the jail yet.
Okay. I'll be on standby.
Good morning, Mr. Curry.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Your counsel for
Devon Gray.
Gray. Okay. Yeah, it's
So-
not set till 9:15. So do you expect him to jump on
No.
early?
So he's incarcerated. He's in federal court.
Oh.
I spoke to the prosecutor on this case approximately a month ago. I go, listen, here's my dilemma. You guys have charged him on a felony offense here. And he's got a serious criminal offense. He's being accused of rape of a minor child, statutory rape, and soliciting a minor child in federal court. And they have him on a large bond. He's got a public
Yeah, I
defender.
see. I think Livingston County Jail is gonna zoom in.
Oh, so
I
they
see.
have.
I have a note that someone contact him at Livingston.
Okay, so they probably have them on hold, but my goal is to seek, what I spoke to the prosecutor, I go, look, here's our goal. Just leave us in the back burner, you and I, until they finish up with the federal case, because if he gets this charge, then this charge will prognosticate and will affect the federal charge. And the prosecutor was on board with it. She's like, yeah, I get it. Let's see what we can do about pushing it out. So really all my goal is to continue to stall this out to see what happens with the federal case. Once the federal case is done, we'll probably do a plea by mail, where he could go ahead and do a plea on the record and place it in. You guys can get it while he's incarcerated. That's our goal. So if you
Yeah, I'm trying to
parties on
look
board
at.
with that?
I'm trying to look it up to see if they are. I think I got an email on it. Have you talked to our prosecutor this morning?
I did not this morning. I spoke to our
Okay,
prosecutor.
Rima?
Yes, if you give me
Wait,
one
no, I'm
minute.
trying
I'm
to, I'm
here.
trying, Rima, do you want to take a minute and talk to him for a minute?
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks.
We'll go into the waiting room, my waiting room.
Okay.
Thank you, Rima.
Thanks. Or meeting room. Yeah.
Good morning, Royce.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Doing well,
I
thank you.
have
very-
one in your waiting room, but I need the judge to make you a co-host because I lost that.
Okay.
She's host now, so hold on. Good morning, Mr. Gozi.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
We haven't heard from the jail yet. I know he's incarcerated. But I don't know who the DV prosecutor is today.
Oh, okay.
She's in a jury trial, I think, but Sona's here. So let me see if we can get Sona to do it.
Sure. Thank you.
Thanks. Hey, Sona.
Yes.
I just jumped in there and you left.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay. Do you know who's covering all of our DVs this morning?
No, I was only told about this one. So,
Yeah,
um,
so I don't know what to do. I have Mr. Gozi here on Jason Reeves.
let me check right now.
I think that's my only other one, but nope. And I
Hello,
have
this is
Princess Green.
this is APA Eden Bookfa. Rima and I were asked
Oh,
by Patricia
Eden,
to
you're
cover the
here.
princess.
Oh,
I am. I'm
Good
helping
morning.
Rima in the background. Good
Okay.
morning. So Patricia emailed us this morning and asked us if we could cover the Princess Green one. So we
okay.
can definitely cover that PCC, but I don't know
Okay.
if she wanted us to do any of the other ones.
Yeah, I need Reeves covered and see if I
We
have
can
another one.
definitely stand in. I think they're just PCCs, right?
Correct.
We can stand in for them for at least like setting the the dates for them and stuff. But I don't know if Patricia has like a specific calendar or if she appears.
She
just
does.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have access to her calendar.
Sona, do we have any chance that we can get a calendar for her? Well, let me see. Mr. Gozi, what are we doing in your case? Are we setting it for exam?
Well, I have no discovery.
Oh, then we're not. So that answers that question. So we're good there.
Okay. Mr. Gozi, I'll look into Discovery right now and have that sent over to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So we'll just hold on. Hopefully the jail will jump on soon.
Sounds good.
Same with you, Attorney Brown. We're waiting for the jail.
Yes, ma'am. That's fine. Thank you very much.
What are we doing with Mr. Neely's case? Are we
We're probably going to set it for PCC and
another one? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's fine.
All right. Thank you very much.
Mhm.
Sona, I just made you co-host.
thank you. Hi, Judge Green. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Just trying to bounce back and forth between a couple Zooms.
Okay.
Good morning, Attorney. Perna?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. I saw your client trying to log on this morning, but then she like logged on and logged off right away. So I haven't seen her again.
Let me tell her. I'll contact her really quickly.
That's fine. And then you probably need to talk to our prosecutor, Ms. Yafufi.
Yes, please.
Okay.
you.
Rima.
I'm sorry, Michelle, did you need me? Oh my goodness.
Sorry, Rima. Yeah. I'm gonna put an attorney in your waiting room or in your meeting room. And Mr. Nunley, are you ready on something?
Yeah, I'm ready on Josh quick.
What are we doing?
Dismissal.
Oh, okay. Where'd Rima go? Jeff, what are you here for?
Lloyd's sewers it was at 8:45. I left a note I'd be a few minutes late. My client's
Right.
chiming in at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
It'll be quick. Already a deal.
Is that you're retained on that?
I'm retained on that. It's one of
Okay,
those
no, that's fine.
corporate
I
deals.
just putting a note in there. Did you already talk to Rima about it or somebody?
Should be an executed plea agreement in the file.
Yeah, I don't have the file, so, okay.
He's gonna pay $380.
Okay, just hold on a minute. When I get the judge back, we'll do it, okay?
Okay, again, I don't think he might be in a couple of minutes. I told him.
That's okay. I need the judge, so just give me a minute.
Okay.
Miss Knapp, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good.
I
thank
don't see your
you.
client yet.
Yeah, I've not been able to talk to him, so I don't know what's going on.
Okay, well, we gotta give him, it's set for 9 o'clock, so we're gonna have to wait a little while, see if he shows up.
Sure. Okay, I'll be here.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Rima, did you speak to Perna?
I did not actually.
Okay, will you jump in
is
your
she my-
meeting room? Can you jump in
All
your
right, I'll be
meeting?
in there in a second. All right, thank you.
Thanks, thanks. Good morning, Division Two. Who do we have? Where'd you go?
Mark Shaw.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Shaw. Mr. Lawrence, I don't see Mr. Quinn yet. Do we know where Mr. Quinn is? Mr. Lawrence, have you talked to Mr. Quinn?
No, I have not.
All right, let me try to call him.
Yeah, she was.
Good morning, Council, Mr. Lochner.
Good morning.
Which case are you here on?
Michigan v. Vladimir. Scheduled for 9:15 arraignment pre-trial.
Oh, I see, Miss Michael. Okay. I
He
haven't
should-
seen your client yet.
He should be appearing shortly. I told him he knows to log on at 9, so he'll
Okay,
be
that's
logging
fine.
on in a minute or so.
That's fine. Do you need to speak with the prosecutor ahead?
That would be great. Thank you.
Okay, where's Rima?
We'll head to the meeting room.
Okay. And then, Perna, I think your client can't get her audio working. Because I saw her log in. I think it's just her audio isn't working, but let me ask you, what are we doing on it?
We just are resetting the exam.
I
was
mean, the
looking-
PCC?
No, the exam, because I have all the
Oh,
discovery
that's
now.
right. We had it set before. Okay, I need the judge for an exam date.
Okay,
All right, just give me a minute.
thank you.
Okay, Mr. Lawrence, we have Mr. Quinn now.
Okay, I'm
Do
ready.
you, do you need to talk with them?
No, I think I'm ready.
What are we doing on it?
I believe we're setting an examination date today.
Does Mr. Quinn have all of his discovery?
Yes, that's what I'm told that he.
Yes, I have the discovery.
You do have it, yes? Okay,
Yes, I do.
okay, I need the judge. Hold on a minute.
Got it. Mr. Bowditch, who's your client?
Floyd's Sewers, Your Honor. This
People
was a-
versus Floyd Sewers.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Floyd. Your Honor, this was adjourned for Mr. Floyd as a corporation to secure counsel. He's done that. We have an executed plea agreement in the file, and I believe Mr. Floyd, on behalf of his corporation, would be paying $380 in fines.
Well, since the misload is, okay, so responsible 380, can you pay that within the week, Mr. Floyd?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then you're all set. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll see you in person at 11.
All right, see you then. Mr.
Thank you, Mr.
Nunley,
Floyd.
what do you have?
We are ready on Josh Quick.
People versus Josh Quick.
Good morning, Your Honor. Royce Nunley on behalf of the defendant. At this time, the prosecutor has agreed to dismiss the 2 charges against Mr. Quick.
Let me find the file. Hang on one second. I got it. People versus Joshua Quick. Motion to dismiss granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Or you're with me still. Do you have anything else?
Not yet.
All right. Mr. Shaw, who's your client? Oh, Mr. Lawrence for Mr. Shaw. I got it. Yep. Yep, thanks. I got it. It says Lawrence for Shaw. I got it. Hang on. Mr. Lawrence, what are we doing?
Yeah, Judge, I'm the prosecutor on this case. We're setting an examination on this matter. Mr. Christopher Quinn is the defense counsel.
I got it. People versus Mark Shaw.
Good morning, Judge. William Lawrence for the people.
Good morning, Judge Christopher Quinn, P69483, appearing on behalf of Mr. Shaw, who's appearing via Zoom today.
And you have all your discovery and you're ready to go?
Yes, Judge.
How many witnesses is this going to be, Mr. Lawrence?
3, Your Honor.
How quickly do you want it?
Let's see, it's July 12th. I've got a list of the prosecutor who's actually going to be handling this case and is on this case is APA Ryan LC.
I saw him Monday on the bond. We had a bond hearing Monday. I saw him then.
But I've got his schedule. So the only date that he's unavailable for July is July 25th.
Well, I could do it, counsel, Mr. Quinn, if you're available, I could do it as soon as next week, next Wednesday at 11 a.m.
If there's a date, whatever the next date is after that, Judge, I think that would be better for the people, only because I believe that one of those three witnesses is being flown in.
Oh, okay. Okay, Monday, the 24th,
That's fine.
10 o'clock?
Let me
fine.
check, Judge.
Yeah, no worries.
I would need something later in the morning, Judge.
11 o'clock?
That should work.
That's fine for the people.
All right, well, live exam at the 34th District Court on Mark Shaw at 11 a.m. on the 24th.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
I'll
Thank
see you
you.
then.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Who do you have?
I have one right now. I got Jason Reeves.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and as far as Bryant Brown, we got to do that later on in the morning. He's a cell side video.
Okay, okay,
But I do have Mr. Reeves on camera 4.
okay, thank you.
Do we have Mr. Reeves' attorney?
We do, Mr. Gozi. Mr. Gozi,
Yes, Judge.
What are we doing on this, Mr. Gozi?
Well, Judge, I just got the discovery a couple of seconds ago, so I guess we could pick an exam date, but I do want to address bond just the same.
Rima's issue?
Yeah, I'm actually gonna stand in for Ms. Mandernack.
Oh, okay. The bond's 250,000 cash. Go ahead and address bond, Mr. Gozi.
Thank you, Judge. The bond obviously is beyond his ability to post. At this time, this is not a capital offense. 250,000 cash is equivalent to 2.5 million, 10% for this type of an offense seems a bit untoward. I would ask the court to consider a 25,000, 10% bond. He is gainfully employed. He does not have any issues with returning to the court. I don't believe there's a capious history that's known. So I would ask the court to take those factors into consideration.
Do you know anything about this case?
No.
Ms. Yafuji?
I
know we have the victim's advocate on here. Do you know anything about this case? Either one of you?
I don't know anything about this case, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor. I do not know anything about it either. I didn't even see it on the docket for this week.
Well, yeah, he was just arraigned, that's why.
Okay, yes, I don't have any contact information for the complaining witness yet, so I haven't reached out yet.
Well, for the moment, I'm gonna refer it to pretrial services for a recommendation on the bond. In the meantime, I can set it for an exam
Sure.
on August the 22nd at 10:30.
We don't have anything any sooner than that, I take it.
Well, I mean, I don't know. Is Miss Mandernack available next Wednesday, Ms. Yafufi? Do you know?
Judge, she actually did not give us her calendar. She's in a trial and didn't give us much information. But you could set it for next week, and if she can't be here, then I guess I'll hold the exam for her if need be.
Yeah, the 19th is perfect, Judge.
All right, then I'll set it for 19th at 11.
11 a.m. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Do we have anything else ready right this second? Miss Krishnamurthy, are you on Perks?
Yes, Judge.
Erica Works, People versus Erica Works. Is this, do you have all your discovery?
Yes, Judge. Purna Krishnamurthy, P824448. Judge, I am in receipt of all the discovery. Judge, this was previously set for an exam
For an
today.
exam today, and then yeah, I gotcha. So,
Yep, but-
so do you want me to reset it?
Yes, Judge. The only issue that I have is I was looking for the date of August 9th because starting this Monday, I'm going to be in a murder trial in front of Judge Chandra Baker, and it's expected to last 3 weeks.
Okay, hang on. Hang on just a second.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Lochner, are we ready on your case?
We're ready for the arraignment, Madam Clerk.
Well,
Uh,
it's a
arraignment
pretrial.
pretrial.
Arraignment pretrial. What
Yes,
are
I
setting it?
I spoke with the prosecutor. She said that the complaining
Okay, hold on a
witnesses-
second. Judge is going to come back and do the
All
other
right.
case. I
Okay.
just needed a quick answer. Am I
Sorry.
adjourning or am I
No,
setting it?
well, we're
Pleading?
no, we're not pleading anything that
Okay.
I'm aware of, but we're waiting for the prosecutor to talk to the complaining
Okay.
witness. So
Sorry about that. All right, so, yeah, so it's gotta be after August 9th, did you say?
No, I was looking for the date of August 9th because
Yeah, that doesn't work like that. I don't even have felonies that day. The next time I have the felonies with the prosecutor is the 23rd, so I could do it August 23rd at 11.
Yeah, that's fine, Judge. We can move it to then.
All right,
Sure.
August the 23rd at 11.
Okay, sounds good.
Good morning, Your Honor. Are you done with Mr. Shaw?
I am.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
August 23rd at 11 a.m. in person, Judge, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank
You
you,
too.
Judge Frank. Have a
Thank
good
you. Do we have anything else ready right now?
No. Attorney Hayshaw.
Hi, Judge.
No, I'm the clerk. That's okay. Who,
Hey, Michelle.
hey, how are you?
thanks.
Which case are you here on?
I have
Oh, I see.
Delando Belcher. It's
yeah.
a PCC. I don't have him. I talked to him yesterday. He's not on yet, but we're just adjourning. He's got.
You're adjourning the PCC?
Yes.
Well, wait, would you finish that sentence? You're for screening for sobriety court? Hold on, you gotta talk to Judge Green.
Yep.
Mr. Hayshaw, did your client speak to our probation department?
Judge, he reached out and was told that they were going to contact him.
Okay,
with-
I'm trying to get a hold of them right now.
Oh, yeah. He also, Judge, received, I think this may be why he's not here right now. He received a notice in an incorrect name with the Judge William Crouchman for this court. I'm not sure what happened, but it looks
Okay.
like.
Okay, just hang on a second. I'm trying to get a hold of probation.
Sure.
Hey, Rima.
Yes.
You have somebody who's been waiting a long time in your waiting room.
Oh, okay. I'll go in there right now. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, Michelle, who is the DV prosecutor for today?
Yeah, Mr. Hayshaw, I just talked to our probation department and there was some confusion. The file never went to them, but he's
Okay.
not a candidate for our program anyway, because he's not, he doesn't meet the qualifications for our sobriety court because he doesn't live in a contiguous community because he
Okay.
lives in Detroit. So the only thing I can do is if you can find another program that'll take him.
And that's not a problem, Judge. It's going to be a felony plea, but part of that was that he needed to be screened beforehand because they're going to allow him to do concurrent probation with sobriety court. So they wanted
I
to
know,
take the
but
plea.
he can't
Okay.
do sobriety court with my sobriety court.
And that's fine. I'll have him screened in 36.
That's fine.
Okay, cool. Can we just
But we have to, we can't, I mean, yeah, they have to take him and accept him. You know what I mean? And then I'll order him into it.
Not a
So
problem at all.
or somebody will.
Yeah. I'll contact 36 today. Can we just adjourn 45 days? Because I think they still want to take the plea down
Yep.
here before it's sent out.
Oh, yeah, no, they gotta, yeah. Okay, Michelle, what's a date 45 days out? It's probably gonna be that August 23rd day.
Sure.
Hello? Hello?
Hold on just a
Delando,
second,
Delando,
Mr.
we got
Boucher.
you.
Hold on.
That's him, Judge.
It would be August 23rd.
August 23rd at 8:45, Mr. Hayshaw.
That's fine, Judge.
And then Mr. Belcher, your attorney will explain to you what's going on, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, you're all set for today, Mr. Belcher, Mr. Hayshaw,
Sorry
you're
for
all set.
sorry for being late, Your Honor.
Oh, you're fine. You're good.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
You're
Judge,
welcome.
while I have you, I have an
Mhm.
arraignment pretrial up with you tomorrow that's going to be adjourned for discovery issues. I just haven't been able to speak with Mr. Young. Can I send something to Michelle to get that done today as opposed
Yeah,
to?
Absolutely.
Yep, just email me.
All right. Michelle, can you chat me your email real quick?
Sure.
Thanks. Thanks, Judge.
All right, thank you. Yep, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Michelle, anything else ready?
Your Honor,
Hold on, Mr. Curry. Did you talk to the prosecutor?
I did. We needed to talk, the prosecutor and myself and the judge wanted to talk off the record for 5 seconds.
Okay, hold on a second.
Thank you.
What prosecutor's doing that? Remind me, is that Sona? No.
Rima.
Rima.
Yes.
Mr. Corey, which case is it?
Your Honor, this would be Devon Gray, State of Michigan versus Devon Gray. Yep.
Do you want to go into a breakout room?
Yes. So would you take us in the breakout room, you, myself, and the prosecutor, please, Judge?
Where is she? Michelle, throw him into her waiting room, which is where she's meeting, and we'll just both join her right there. Just join and we'll interrupt her.
I don't know. When I saw it, I was like, that's literally a charity. People find a charity.
Mr. Fufi, go back in your, tell me what we're doing on that case first.
We're
though.
dismissing both for Wheels on Wheels.
Okay, you can let them go, but go back into your,
Breakout room
right, where'd you
meeting.
go? Yeah, Mr. Curry, I sent you there too. You gotta,
Where would you like me to go? The judge told me, where would you like me to go?
I put you, I don't know what happened.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Okay, I'm gonna need to talk to the judge about this one.
Yeah, you guys both go into the meeting
Myself
room.
and.
Here, I'm gonna put you in
My meeting room?
Yeah, go.
Okay, all right.
Can you tell Wheels on whatever they can leave?
Morning, Michelle.
Oh,
Okay. Rima, I'm back out. I already told him.
Curry and your hearing.
good morning, Mr. Riggins.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm the clerk, but that's okay.
Good
Oh, and Mr. Stacy, I see you with your client. I have to put you in with the clerk so they can confirm his address.
Oh, very good.
Okay, Mr. Riggins, what are we doing in your case?
Can I be put in a breakout room with Ms. Green?
With your client? Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sophia. You're muted.
Good morning, I'm here on Philip Barnhart.
Okay, hold on a second.
We're setting it for exam.
Do you have all your discovery?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a second. We don't have Mr. Barnhart, though.
He said he's logged in, waiting on clerk. They sent me to Judge Green.
Oh, I see him. He doesn't have any audio. He hasn't turned on his audio yet. Mr. Gullidge, you're all set. Your cases were dismissed. You don't need to be here.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a great week.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Attorney Newman. You're muted. David Newman. Attorney David Newman.
Good morning. I'm sorry. Was that for me?
If your name's David Newman.
I am. Yes. How are
Okay,
you?
then it would be for you. I'm good.
Yeah. Cut off. I'm sorry.
That's okay. You need to speak with the prosecutor?
Please.
Okay, Rima, that's for you.
On the meeting room.
Okay, Sophia, we have your client now. And you said you want to set it for an exam on Barnhart?
Yes.
People versus Philip Barnhart. Ms. Nelson, is this you?
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm waiting for the prosecutor. Do you want me to go?
She just went into a breakout room.
That's okay. Michelle can jump over and I can do it as soon as next week at 11 a.m.
Let's see. I could do it Wednesday the 19th at 11.
Yep, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Michelle, you want to jump in with Ms. Yafufi and make sure that that's okay with her? Hey, everyone, sorry. Can you do next Wednesday along? Yep. For Sophia and Elsa. Thanks. All right, that date's good. All right, Ms. Nelson. So next Wednesday, Mr. Barnhart, where are you?
Yes.
There you
Yes.
are. You'll be live next Wednesday at 11 a.m. in my courtroom, okay?
Okay.
You're all set. See you then.
All right. Thank
Ms.
you.
Nelson, do you have anything else?
No, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Anything else ready right now, Michelle? Mr. Lochner, what's going on with Mr. Vladimir's case?
Good morning, Your Honor. I was in the breakout room with the prosecutor. She was going to speak with the complaining witness. We're going to get my client arraigned today. And then, I don't know, I think I just got discovery yesterday. We might ask for an adjournment to review everything and talk to the prosecutor further. But that, I don't know what the prosecutor, what kind of discussion she had with the complaining witness. So we're kind of in a holding pattern.
Okay. Where is Monsieur Fufi? Michelle, is she in a breakout room?
She's talking to 2 different attorneys.
You got the discovery. Do you want to reach out? Do you want to wait, Mr. Lautner? Or do you want me to just give you another date and you can reach out to her? It's up to you.
I can do that. I mean, would it be prudent to at least get my client arraigned right now, Your Honor? Since it's arraignment pretrial today, so we can arraign him and adjourn the pretrial for another day.
I imagine you waive the formal reading, stand mute there. He's arraigned.
Appreciate that, Your Honor.
Now, do you want another date or do you want to wait for
Sure.
her?
Let's get another date, and then I can reach out to Ms. Yafufi and discuss the matter with her from there.
How much time do you want?
Well, obviously it's going to be on a Wednesday. What's a couple weeks would probably be sufficient, I would think.
2 weeks?
Yes, Judge.
2 weeks would be July the 26th in front of Judge Martin. Michelle, what time?
At 9 a.m.
And that's by Zoom.
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Mr. Vladimir, I'll speak with you later.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Newman, what are we doing on Shosh?
Hello, Michelle.
Yeah, what are we doing on your case?
I spoke with the prosecutor. We'll be dismissing both counts.
Okay.
I am just waiting on my client to log in. He's having some issues on Zoom. So I'm just texting him right now.
Okay. Hold on a second. Mr. Rogers, did you speak to the attorney, Mr. Nunley? Aaron Rogers?
Yes, I spoke to the attorney.
Okay, you're just waiting on him to come back in?
Yes.
Okay, just hang tight for a minute then.
Okay.
Miss Knapp, when the judge comes back, I'm assuming you can leave and we'll just issue a bench warrant.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just give me 1 minute.
Man, I have that, the prosecutor is going to dismiss your client's case. Is that correct?
Hello, Your Honor.
Yeah, the plate registration and the security, that those are going to be dismissed. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
They're dismissed. You're all set.
Oh, my client doesn't have to log in?
No,
Okay,
don't worry about it. Michelle had
Perfect.
explained to me that there was a technology issue.
okay, not a problem. Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.
Have a good day.
You as well, you and your staff. Thank you.
Miss Knapp, what's your client's name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Saquon McKinney.
People versus Saquon McKinney. What are we doing?
No show.
Oh, no show. Got it.
No-show. I've had,
Bench
for the
warrant.
record, Your Honor, I've had no contact.
48 hours if you have contact, you know, send him in. Otherwise, it'll be a bench warrant. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Everybody.
Miss Bates, what's your client's name? You're muted.
Judge Ron Rowe.
Good morning. It is Terry Lopez.
And what are we doing on Terry Lopez?
Your Honor, I would like to set another PC. I ordered the discovery and I just checked my email. It looks like I received it maybe this morning. I'm not for positive. I was just scrolling through.
All right, Mr. Lopez, you know that you owe us money, correct? You can unmute.
Hello.
Do you know that you have outstanding misdemeanors that you owe us money on?
Yes.
You have to appear in the court within the week. And get a payment plan, okay?
I'm in Iowa working right now.
Okay, then you have to go online and ask for a payment
Go
plan
online.
and start a payment plan.
Okay, I'll be sure to do that.
All right, within the next 7 days.
Okay.
Because there's a warrant on you. If you don't do that, the warrant will stay in the system. All right.
Okay.
And
now on the felony case, Miss Bates, did you say, you said you needed an adjournment?
Yes, please.
How, 1, 2, 3 weeks?
I would say just 1 week, Your Honor.
Well, then that'll be able to track on whether or not he's made a payment. That'll make me happy. So
Okay.
July the 19th, Michelle at 8, at what time? Yeah.
At 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. Same Zoom ID, okay, Mr. Lopez, but make sure that you've done a payment plan between now and then.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Now, Mr. Stacy on Mr. Rowe, what do you do? What's going on with that?
Apparently they sent the discovery late yesterday afternoon. I was in court in Troy and I have not seen it. And
That's fine.
And she asked if I wanted another PCC. I said I didn't think it was necessary so long as I had enough time. Like the August, if it's a Wednesday, that we would just go forward with an exam. My client would waive the 21-day rule. If the exam was either the 16th, the 23rd, or the 30th of August, I can't do the 2nd or 9th, and I'm gone.
I don't do the 2nd or the 9th anyway, but I can do the 23rd at 11:15.
11:15, the 23rd, Judge, I appear at your courtroom, correct?
Correct.
All righty. Then that's what I will do.
All right, then we'll see you live exam on August the 23rd at 11:15.
Very good, Judge. Thank you
Have a
very
good
much.
day. You're all set.
Pleasure to see you as always.
You too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Good morning, Mr. O.
Good morning.
What time is your case set for? Let me find it.
9:45.
I see it.
And when Miss Hammond gets on, can I please request a breakout room?
we're assuming, have you spoke to her?
The number we have for her on file goes straight to an.
Yeah, and she has a bench warrant right now, so we'll see if she shows.
Okay,
But yeah, as soon as she comes, I'll put her in the breakout room with you. And good morning, Ms. Fulmer.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
No, I'm the clerk, but that's okay.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Hi.
Do you need to speak with the prosecutor?
Very briefly, and then
Okay.
we're ready.
We don't
We'll
have your,
probably-
I don't have your client.
She should be on here. Come on.
Yeah,
She
she's
should
not
be
here.
logging on any second now.
Okay.
Can I just go ahead and see the, I'll
Yeah.
text her.
Yeah, you
so
can
that I
talk to the,
Move forward.
you can talk to Rima. I'll put you in Rima's room.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Mr. Nunley, are you ready? You have a couple, I think.
Yep, I'm ready on Aaron Rodgers and Teresa Schmelzer.
Okay, what do we do? Are we either one of them an adjournment?
Yeah, Aaron Rodgers is.
Okay,
So,
oh, I could have taken care of that one. I'm sorry.
that's okay. Final pretrial where victim must appear.
Did you say on Rogers, Royce?
Yep, final pretrial.
What date are you giving, Michelle?
Royce, do you want July 26th with Judge Martin? Or you can have next week. Next week might be tight if we have to get the victim.
Yeah, the 26th would be fine.
I can do it 10:15 a.m.
I have a 10:30. You got anything earlier?
Well, I'll put it at 9.
Okay, thank you so much.
9 a.m. with Judge Martin, victim to appear. All right. Sir Rogers, you're all set. 2 weeks out with Judge Martin. You'll get another notice, okay?
Okay.
You're all set. Mr.
Thank
Nunley,
you.
did you say you also had Miss Schmelzer?
Yes.
People
So-
versus Teresa Schmelzer.
Royce Nunley, on behalf of the defendant, for purposes of the arraignment, we waive a formal reading and stand mute. For purposes of pretrial, she's going to plead responsible to double parking for $180 in exchange for dismissal.
Can you pay that within the week, Miss Schmelzer?
Yes, ma'am. I get paid on Friday.
You're all set then. Make sure you take care of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Do I leave now?
You can leave now.
Thank you.
Hey, Michelle, the Polycom in the courtroom's broken. They have to order a new one.
She said there's no way.
Okay, Miss Fulmer, we have your client now.
Okay, wonderful.
What are we doing on your case?
Just asking for another PCC.
Okay, hold on.
On People versus Sadie Salters. How many weeks do you want, counsel?
Can I have 3 weeks, Your Honor?
Absolutely. Michelle,
you.
where does that put us? Are we waiting on an independence still? Is that what your issue is?
Well, Your Honor, I just got some updated discovery today. Or late last night, either late last night or this morning. So I have to
That's
take a look
fine.
at that.
Okay.
Okay, and then, yeah.
August
That's
2nd.
all good. Michelle, what's
Okay.
3 weeks? August
August
2nd?
2nd at 8:45 with Judge Martin.
Okay, and that's on Zoom?
That is on Zoom, correct.
Wonderful. Okay.
All right, Ms. Salters, do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're gonna get another notice and it'll be with Judge Martin in 3 weeks, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And your
Your Honor.
attorney will be in contact with you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have a good day. Thanks.
Thank you.
Ms.
Thank you very
Lauren.
much, Your Honor. Have a
You're
good day.
welcome.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Matson, did you talk to somebody?
No, ma'am, I did not yet.
Okay, you didn't talk to Mr. Nunley?
No, ma'am. I was put in a breakout room with like another, like defendant or something.
Okay, we might have to move you back there. I think you might have jumped out a little bit too soon. Can you click the screen and rejoin that?
Yes.
Perfect. Mr. O, are you ready on Hammond?
Hammond's a no-show so far.
That's correct, Judge.
What time was Mr. Hammond set at? It looks like it was set at 9:45. Yeah, it's early stuff. Yeah, it's just. Do you have all the discovery on Hammond though?
I don't, Judge. We have the police report, but not the digital.
Yeah, and this matter was set, but it was reset today after a bench warrant. So we'll have to wait and see if he appears. You haven't had any contact,
No,
correct?
unfortunately not, Judge. The number is disconnected, and I believe this is an old case that
It is an old case. It
Gary
absolutely
Jones
is.
originally represented her on, but he passed.
Yeah, okay. Well, we'll just hang out for a little bit. Mr. Brown, I know we're still waiting on,
The jail.
yeah.
Thank you.
And so I don't, Michelle's trying to figure it out.
Mr. Riggins, do you need to speak with the prosecutor now?
Sure.
Okay, let me put you in with Rima. Good morning, Mr. Ramsayer.
Good morning.
I see your clients here. Do you need to speak with the prosecutor?
No, we're just going to be waiving.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
People versus Dale Schmidt. Is this a
Good morning.
waiver?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ryan Rams here on behalf of Mr. Dale Schmidt. We are appearing via Zoom, Your Honor. Mr. Schmidt, could you please unmute yourself and identify yourself?
Dale Schmidt.
And Mr. Schmidt, you understand that by agreeing to this waiver by Zoom, that you're giving up your right to have testimony taken whereby the prosecution would have to prove probable cause that a crime was committed and probable cause to believe that you were involved in the commission of that crime?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that you're going to consent by Zoom to this waiver and you'll be bound over? You'll
Yes,
go
Your Honor.
downtown on this charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
The defendant and his attorney having consented by Zoom, I'll bind the defendant over. The arraignment on the information will take place 1 week from today on July the 19th at 9 a.m. Then I'll continue the bond.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank
You
you,
can sign up, Mr. Schmidt. I'll give you a call.
Oh, 2 weeks. I apologize. He's out of custody. It's 2 weeks.
2 weeks. All right.
It's July 26th. Thanks, Michelle. Yeah, it's 2 weeks. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, Mr. Is it Helgendorf?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you send an appearance in?
Yeah, we tried to fax it and it wouldn't go through, and then we found a
but-
link. We found a
Hold
link.
on a second. I'm going to give you my email that you can send it to.
Oh,
Mr. Schmidt, you're all set. Your next court date will be down at Frank Murphy. Okay, you're all set. Okay, let me chat you my email.
Okay.
Okay, I sent that, but what are we doing in your case?
So I was
gonna.
see if I could be put in a room with the prosecutor, Miss Rima.
Yeah, Miss Fufi, yep.
Okay, and then I'll send that over to you. And
Perfect. Mr. Fufi, I'm gonna put Mr. Helgendorf in your meeting room in a minute, but Mr. Riggins, what are we doing in your case?
We're going to set it for a preliminary examination. I also like to talk.
You have all of discovery?
I do.
Okay.
I'd like to talk to the judge about bond.
Yep. Hey, Rima, yeah, this is another one that's Mandernack's.
Yeah, the one with Mr. Riggins.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna email her with all the exam dates right now, so.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so you said somebody's in my meeting room or waiting room?
Yeah, just hold on. Let's just do this one real quick.
Okay.
I can do the email. I was just gonna leave my own here now. Are we done with all
Oh, we're
the
about to do
cases?
Sunday right now.
I'll restart right now.
People versus Princess Green. Mr. Riggins, do you have all your discovery?
I do, Your Honor.
Do I have Sona on here? Did she fail? No, Miss Mosisian.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Once again, I can do this as long as Ms. Mandernack has the notice. I could do it next Wednesday on the 19th at 11:15.
Your Honor, is there any way we can do it a week after that?
Nope, I don't have felonies then. If you don't do it then, I can't do it till August 22nd or 23rd.
I have no problem. I think my next request will explain. Mr. Green has a pre-planned trip where she's going to be gone for approximately 10 days.
Okay.
Starting tomorrow. So that's why we're asking for a bit of time.
Yeah, no. I don't have a problem with the trip, but I don't have felonies. I have a domestic docket on the 22nd of August that I could do it at 10:30, or I can do it on the 23rd of August at 11:15.
I can be there at Wednesday. I can be there. I can cut the trip. Sorry. Sorry. Hi. I'm sorry.
No,
I didn't
no,
mean
no,
to just.
you're good. You're no, you're
I'm
fine.
sorry. So I can come.
You don't have to go
No,
on your.
I can't. I'm trying to go to the Marines. Like, and they've waited on me, and I just don't want to start the process from the beginning because my recruiter is just really understanding. And
Okay.
I've been in the hospital 4 times, and I just was asking if we can make it next time. I can promise to be there Wednesday. I will be there 40 minutes early. I will be there as long as you need. If you can just maybe take the tether off because I've been homeless and it's been dying, and I only charge it in increments of 20 minutes, and I only have a military bag and a scooter, and I don't have anywhere to stay. I've been getting like rained on. I've been in the hospital for 3 times. I know for sure. And I just been in some really life-changing situations, and I don't want to yell and I don't want to be frantic, but I need to either have let it die, but that causes an issue in the system. I just need it off tomorrow. I mean, well, before tomorrow. I fly out at 7:06 p.m. and I need to go through TSA, and I'm done. And I'm gonna mute myself. I'm sorry.
No, Mr. Briggins.
Yes.
I don't, I mean, there is a GPS, there's a tether. I don't think that she can fly out of state tomorrow.
That's fine. As long as the court date is on Wednesday. If I can.
So is there any way we can take the tether off, Your Honor? I don't see a prior record. She's not charged as a habitual in this matter. I have contact information. I'm not sure if the tether is actually necessary.
Miss Mosesian?
Judge, I think Rima might have been covering this, but let me pull the case very quickly just to at least get a sense of what the charges were even, and then I can maybe speak on that.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna give her a couple minutes, Mr. Riggins.
Okay.
Mr. Youngs, are you ready on anything?
Well, I'd like to talk to the prosecutor if I could, Judge. I want to see if there's some offer.
I'll put you in.
Okay, thank you very much.
Did she talk to Ellsworth Industries yet, Michelle?
No, they just checked in.
Okay, and Miss Matson, did you end up talking to somebody or not?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, who did you talk? Did you talk to Mr. Nunley?
I think.
Yeah, okay. As soon as he jumps on, I'll do your case. Miss Thurman, did you talk to somebody?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As soon as they jump on, I'll do it.
Mr. Brown, what are we doing on Mr. Neely's case? Or Sona?
We are requesting, actually, Mr. Schloff wanted to set it for another, for a preliminary examination. However, there is some outstanding discovery. So if we could set it for another PCC on the 26th, that would be what we would do.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Brown, we'll give you. Sona, are you paying attention?
I am, yes.
So we'll move it to Mr. Neely's case to July 26th.
Okay.
And it'll be at 8:30 again, just because he's in custody. But as you know, that doesn't mean that.
Okay. And who is that going to be in front of?
Judge Martin.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Thank you. All set?
And Sona, are you staying on that?
I am. I'll just, yeah, I'm reviewing it right now. I might even try to just call the victim very quickly if I can.
Neely, so I'm just gonna change it and put you on
Oh,
it.
no, no, no. I'm
no,
sorry.
no.
I'm not. No,
Are
no,
you
no.
staying on Neely?
No, I'm not.
Okay, okay.
So Mandernack.
Yeah, it'll
Correct.
still be Miss Mandernick, and I will send out am I sending notice to Mr. Schlaff?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Thank you very much, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too. Mr. Nunley, are you ready on something?
Yes, I have two of them. Teresa Thurman and
Yep.
Alex Matson.
People versus Alice Matson.
Royce Nunley appearing on behalf of the defendant. At this time, Your Honor, we waive a formal reading and stand mute for purposes of the arraignment. Then we're asking for a final pretrial where the victim must appear.
1, 2, 3 weeks.
If we could do the July 26th date again, that would be good.
Michelle, what time?
Except I'm kind of, I can't keep putting things at 9. I'll do 9:15. Cause I'm kind of stacking her docket. She didn't
Thank
really
you.
have anything then.
If she yells at me, I'll blame it on you.
Yeah, no, oh no. All right, July 26th at 9:15.
Got it.
Judge Martin, I'll send out new notice today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then on Teresa Thurman.
For purposes of the arraignment, we'd stand mute and waive a formal reading and stand mute. Then we're looking for an adjournment so we can get some discovery.
3 weeks.
That's fine.
I can't stack it again. You're not available after. You said you're not like 9:15, you're not available after.
Yeah, I've got a 10:30 and then I've got an 11.
Can you do it at 9:30? Michelle, do you have a time at 9:30?
I don't, but I guess I'll stack it.
I mean, I can go out further for this one. I mean, we're just waiting for the videos and whatever. So
Do it
doesn't
the
have-
next week. Do it August 2nd, Michelle.
Okay, August 2nd. At 8:45, is that good?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, August 2nd at 8:45 with Judge Martin.
Got it.
All right.
Did you hear that, Ms. Thurman?
Yes, I heard.
Okay. Ready?
You're all set, Ms. Thurman. We'll send you new notice.
Thank you.
Mr. Youngs, you're back.
Hey, Michelle, we are all set. The
Good.
offer is impeding traffic, and if
Tell me which, is that the one on Puchin or?
yes, Puchin.
Okay.
yes.
Yep.
Now, does this We would-
Impeding how much?
I
Did
believe,
she say?
no, I think it's a scheduled fine. I think it's $200, but I don't recall for sure.
Yeah, at 200, how long to pay?
Is 2 weeks all right?
Yep.
And I gather that I don't need to hang around and put it on.
Nope, you're all
record.
set. I'll get them from her later and I'll enter them.
Awesome, Michelle. Thank you so much. Have a good
Thanks. Have a
morning.
good day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Michelle, I'm jumping off and Marianne's gonna jump on and be your clerk.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Judge, we can go back on the Green case.
All right, recalling People versus Princess Green.
Judge Sonam of CCN on behalf of the people stepping in for APA Patricia Mandernack. I did have a chance to review the Sumter Township investigators report along with the charges. I also did contact the complainant and had the opportunity to briefly speak with her in regards to the tether. She indicated that at this time she does not have concerns for the tether and that she would be comfortable if the tether was to be removed, that no contact order can remain in place, but otherwise the people will leave it to the court's discretion as to the removal of the GPS tether.
Well, if the victim's not concerned and you don't have a position, I'll release her off of the tether. Where does that, but with the bond conditions, Mr. Riggins, she needs to ask permission to get on a plane, not just assume that she can. That's the first issue.
Right, yeah, and
I didn't book the trip. I just got
It's
told
okay,
about it.
Miss Green, no. It's okay. It's okay.
to that end, this was a prepaid and pre-planned trip, so I don't think she booked this knowing that.
Right, I got you. But we can get the paperwork done and get her released off the tether. Michelle, you might have to send it to Mr. Riggins. I don't know. What do we do?
Yeah, I have to send it to Wayne County. I gotta figure it out. I'll do it this morning.
But then and then email Mr. Riggins so he can let his client know. Okay. Do you have his email?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Then Mr. Riggins, then the second issue is, when are we going to do the exam?
I'm going to leave that up to my client. Originally, I thought we wanted 10 days, but if she wants to do it next Wednesday, I think we can do it next Wednesday.
Okay. Miss Green, what's your unmute? Do you want to do it next week on Wednesday?
So, yes. So because the reason why I'm okay.
I know, I heard you with the military.
Yeah. So, but beyond that, ISIS doesn't stay away from me. If she needs me, she comes to me, and we cause no issues. And so the no contact order, originally I did talk and asked my lawyer to drop that. And then she just texted me and said, they're dropping the no contact order. You have to be to court Wednesday, remember, mark it Wednesday, she just said. And so this is the thing, I keep
Miss
getting
Green,
in trouble.
I get it. Miss Mosesian,
please.
Judge, I'm standing in. I do not know a lot about this case.
I know.
My main concern was the GPS tether. I think we should have the exam, have a date for the exam next week. If the complainant shows, we can figure out what to do moving forward with that no contact order situation. I did not.
I would just suggest to you, Miss Green, in the meantime, though, she texts you, say, please don't contact me.
Okay.
I also did make it very clear to the complainant that the no contact order is still in place. And so.
Okay. Then we'll do it next Wednesday, July the 19th at 11:15.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, live,
Is
Miss
that in
Green.
person?
So I'll see you. It's live, yes.
Okay.
I'll see you in my courtroom next Wednesday.
All right. Look forward to it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Riggins, you're all set.
Rima, did we work something out with Ellsworth Industries?
Yes, so it's just gonna be a $250 fine for the misload. And dismissing the other one.
Miss Garion, what do you got?
Yes, I have Mr. Delia, D like dog, ELIA.
And what are we doing on that case?
It's a pre-hearing. She needs to talk to
Oh,
Rima.
yeah, not me.
But let me, wait, Ellsworth Industries, how long to pay?
I can pay quickly or
Like
pay with
a
a card
week?
today if you want.
You'd have to,
Yes,
you can either come to the court or go online or,
yeah, we could go online and pay it today.
okay, give me till the end of the day, okay? To enter it.
Okay. Okay.
I'll just put in 1 week and then if something happens, okay?
Okay, no problem.
You're all set. Thank you so much. And
Thank
then
you.
Miss Garion, I'll put you in with Miss Yafufi.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And then counsel, Mr. Helgendorf, do you know where your client is?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
No, I'm the clerk. Oh, with you.
Oh, yes, he's with me.
Was he with you before?
No, well. he
No,
was
okay.
just-
I was like, wait, am I confused? Okay, wait, I gotta put you in with the clerk to get his information confirmed, okay?
Okay.
Mary, do you got that one? Yeah. Okay, did we already figure that out?
Yes, it's $250.
Hold on a second. You're writing on these tickets, though, right?
Oh, we don't have these ones.
Wait, you should, wait.
No, I only have 3 of them that I wrote on, but.
Wait, which case is Miss Garion on?
D like dog, ELIA.
Yeah, no, I know. I just tell me the name. Oh, I got it. It's a pre-hearing. You should have it.
I only have 3 of them in here.
All right, hold
From the
on.
ones you gave me.
Does it? Okay, hold on. Is there a company attached to it? Miss Garion? No.
No.
Oh, yeah, there is. American Motor Line.
I'm like, wait a minute. You have to have it.
Yes.
You're confusing.
here.
Yeah. Because
I
I need
wrote
you
on
to
it.
write on the actual ticket because I have to upload it.
Yeah, I wrote it.
That's fine. Okay, perfect. So it's 250.
Yes.
Do when?
Would 30 days be good?
Sure. Okay.
Do we need
You're
to
all
put this on
set.
record or?
It is on the record. It's a pre-hearing.
Okay, so I
You
don't,
do them with the prosecutor.
okay, do I need to wait and go in front of the judge?
Nope, you're all set. It's a pre-hearing. It's just you and the prosecutor. The pre-hearings don't go before the judges.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Thanks, you too. Bye. Okay, now we're ready. Mr. Helgendorf, what are we doing in your case?
So we were going to do the arraignment,
Okay,
and then we tried to pre-try the case and speak with the prosecutor about it. I don't think they can locate their file today.
That is correct. People aren't able to proceed on this.
okay. So we just need, okay, hold on a second. All right, how long of an adjournment do you need? You just need to find your file, right, Rima?
Yeah, but like I tried locating it, I can't locate it at all. Not in the system and not through anybody else. So like we can't proceed on it.
So should I ask for a
I
dismissal
don't know
or?
what that means.
Yes, because I'm not asking for it.
Okay,
Wait, hold on a second. I gotta get the judge.
Because it's a ticket. There's not a complaint. It's just a ticket, Mr. Fufi. That's why.
Oh. Does the court have a ticket?
Yes.
Can I see it, please?
Sure, if someone can bring it to you.
Okay, Eden's coming in right now to grab it real quick.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna have to adjourn it anyway, so,
Okay.
I'll go ahead and arraign him and adjourn it. You
Okay.
said you waive formal reading.
We waive
Stand
formal
mute,
reading.
Give you another
Mr. Hilgendorf,
pretrial date. 1, 2, or 3
And I'll take
weeks,
a look at that.
counsel.
Your Honor, we would ask for 1 week. We would like to get moving on it and see if we can work something out next week.
That's fine. July the 19th, Michelle, at what time?
At 9:15.
Oh,
At 9:15,
is
and
there-
that's by Zoom.
What
Is-
is there?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Are you guys doing these on Wednesdays with the state prosecutor?
Yep,
Okay, no way to do that Thursday.
nope,
Okay, then we're gonna have to, can we do the 26th? I'm out of town on the 19th.
that's fine. The 26th with Judge Martin.
Yes,
Michelle, what time?
At 8:45.
and we have no objection to Zoom.
It'll be by Zoom, 8:45 on the 23rd, or on the
Right.
26th. Michelle, I thought you said the 26th was full already.
Pre-trials.
This is a pretrial.
No, I mean, no, wait. Oh, it is a pre-trial. I'm looking at exams. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I can do it 10:15.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have a bunch of things crossed out on this file. 10:15.
Yep.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Fifi. Somebody will bring you the file.
Thank
Michelle, I'm
you, Your
running
Honor.
the
Have a nice
courtroom
day.
for a
I
minute.
will.
You too.
Rima, there's somebody in your waiting room.
Okay, I'll go in there right now. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, I gotta try to do this.
Hey, Michelle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the person in my meeting room, that's up for a PCC. He doesn't have an attorney.
Oh, yeah, I didn't put it in there. Sorry. I'd better pay attention to that. Is that Mr. Sanfilippo?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that can't go to you. Sorry about that. Let me check into that. I have a new clerk right now. Great House. I need you to join the breakout room.
I don't know what that means.
You got an invite to a breakout room. We can't help you unless you do that.
Okay.
What kind of device are you on?
Mr. O, you can go. If Mr. Hammond shows up, I will let you know. Otherwise, we'll hold it for 48 hours before a bench warrant.
Understood, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, there you go. Now I'm trying, just hold on a second. I'm trying to figure your case out.
Oh, yeah, see him.
Mr. Sanfilippo? Unmute. Mr. Sanfilippo, unmute. Unmute so you can talk to me.
There you go. Sorry.
Okay, this is my deal. You're in a courtroom. Can you smoke in a courtroom?
No.
No. So if you want to smoke, black your screen until I call your case, okay?
Okay.
I appreciate that. Now hand it back to the person that's helping you with the IT issue and have them do it. Thank you.
He's done with smoking. He put the cigarette
Okay,
down.
all right.
Michelle?
Yeah, Steve, what are you here for?
Hi, I just got a traffic pre-hearing.
Okay, hold on. I'll put you in with Remo. Hold on, Remo, I'll put him in your meeting room.
All right, thank you.
What's the case?
Mr. Sanfilippo, I can't see, I don't see that we ever got a court appointed form for you. We should have though.
Okay.
I'm trying to find it. Give me 1 second. Let me look at the file.
Luke, let Jay hop in the truck with you and make our way back to the motel. If something goes on with the phone, you can hop in now, okay? So he's just sitting in the parking lot like nuts. Get in there with him. Picture the police on the park.
Mr. Sanfilippo, we're trying to figure this out right now, but it appears that maybe downtown didn't assign your case to an attorney. We're trying to make some phone calls right now. Give us a couple minutes. We may have to adjourn it out 1 week to get an attorney appointed for you, okay? But just hold on a few minutes. Hold on a few minutes.
Okay.
So it says the people in the state of Michigan, it's not the ticket.
Hey, Michelle?
Hold on a second, Steve.
All right.
Mr. Sanfilippo, they have not assigned an attorney to you yet, so we're gonna adjourn it out 1 week. Michelle, what time? So I want you to log in next week at 9:15 a.m. and an attorney will talk to you either before then or they will be on next week at that time, okay? And it's the same Zoom. We'll send out a notice, but it's 1 week and it's the same place.
Are you guys gonna send an email?
She's gonna send a notice, but it's not gonna be an email.
Okay.
Is your email in our system?
Yes, it's the Steven6510@comcast.net.
Is that what the clerk confirmed it with you?
Yes.
Okay, then I can do a notice to that. I can email it to you.
Great.
Yep, I'll do
Okay.
that.
Miss Yafufi, and then we'll
Yes.
see you then, Mr. Sanfilippo. On People versus David Hughes, the defendant and the attorney are live in the building. They claim that
Okay.
the victim was subpoenaed to appear. I don't see that in the file. I see that it says final pretrial, but Judge Oakley didn't write victim to appear, so I don't know if you're waiting for a victim or not. Do you?
Yeah, we're unable to contact the complainant in this case, so we can't proceed.
Okay, then are you dismissing?
Yeah, it's gonna be a dismissal.
I'll just dismiss it. I'm gonna let them know it's dismissed.
Thank
I'm
you,
not
Judge.
even gonna make them, they're in the courtroom. I'll actually have them come in the courtroom. Michelle, are you turned on in the courtroom?
No, I can do that in a minute.
Go
Mr.
turn on the
Sanfilippo, you're
courtroom.
all
Have them
set.
have a seat in the courtroom and I'll come out and do it then. All right, Mr. Fufi, and then we're waiting on Mr. Mays. Mr. Sanfilippo, you're all set. Mr. Robinson, what do you want?
Thank you.
Good morning, Judge. I did speak to, I don't think it
Do
was.
you already
me.
have it worked out, with Miss Yafufi?
Yeah, we do. It's just going to be amended to impeding.
It's fine.
Okay, you're on a pre-hearing.
Yes. What case name is it?
Last name is Chahal, Chahal.
Got it. Oh, it was a formal. Okay.
Yep.
So it's an impeding, how much? 180, you said?
I think
Or
it's
200? Is it 200?
whatever your standard cost is.
I think
thought
it's 200.
it's 200 now. I thought it was 180, but okay, 200.
No, I think it's 200 now. And it's due 2
30 days.
weeks? 30 days? Due 30 days. All right, you're all set.
Thanks, Michelle.
You're welcome.
Michelle,
Yes, ma'am.
that Ostrike ticket that I just got, that OWI.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a city ticket. That's why. I
Wait,
don't
wait,
have-
let's hold on. Dear judge is gonna talk to you. Hold on.
It's not a city ticket. It's written under state law, Ms. Yafufi. When they write it under state law, it goes to the state prosecutor.
Right, but I just contacted the officers in this case, and then he told me that this is supposed to be city, it's not state.
And
So
then you
I-
can move to dismiss it and you can let them know they can refile. I don't know what to tell you. You can't make a state case into a local case. It doesn't work like that. They write it under local ordinance, it's enforced by the local prosecutor. If it's written under state law, it's enforced by your office.
Right. And it is a newer officer, so that probably explains the miscommunication between him and his sergeant, but I'll let them know though. Thank you, Judge.
I mean, what do you want me to do with it? Do you want me to dismiss it?
I mean, yeah, because I don't even have information on it, so they could just reissue it and then I'll have the discovery then. They could reissue
No,
it.
you won't have the discovery if they're issuing it under local ordinance.
Right. And that's what he told me. He's like, you don't have it because this is a city ticket, and it's a city ticket.
Just
because
give
it
the
was-
file back to Michelle and I'll have Michelle reach out to them and
Okay.
explain to them. We can't turn it into a local ordinance.
Right.
Give the file back, give us a file back and we'll deal with
All
it.
right, Judge.
All right,
Thank you, Judge.
thanks. And we're just waiting on Mr. Mays.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Levitt. I'm gonna put you in with, the prosecutor. Mr. Fufi, I'm gonna put him in yours. Hey, Rima, can you join your meeting room?
Sure.
Hey, that case name was Ostrike, right, Mr. Fufi?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. We're looking it up right now,
Okay.
but give us a file back.
All right. I'm gonna send it back right now with the other tickets.
Attorney Robinson, what are you here for?
I'm here for Tia Maria Trucking.
Okay,
So-
hold on a second. I put you in with, in Monsieur Fufi's room. Hold on.
We've already had a chance to discuss the matter.
Are you already done?
Yes,
Okay, hold on. Let me find it. What time was it set at?
it was set for 10:45.
Oh, I see it. And what are we doing with it?
We're pleading responsible for the charge of operating an overweight vehicle in exchange for reduction of the total fines and costs to $350.
Okay, you're pleading to the misload.
Yes,
And 350
yes.
due when?
Can we have
30 days?
30 days is perfect.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, Mr. Mays. Glad you could join us.
Good morning. No problem.
How are you?
I'm good.
Well, do you need to speak to Mr. Fufi?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold on one second. I'm pretty sure nobody, let me,
Who are you? I'm talking to the assistant prosecutor, right?
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
going to. Do you,
Okay.
what are we doing on this case? So do you know, Bill?
We are going to waive the time requirements so that we can try to work something out, and I need discovery. So,
All right.
let me move you into Miss Fufi's meeting room.
thank you.
Remo, will you join him there?
Yeah, this is Ed, and I'll join in.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Mr. Mays, are you ready? What are we doing?
We are, well, hold on. Ms. Greathouse, unmute yourself and turn your camera on. So I've advised Ms. Greathouse that she's got the right to a preliminary examination within 14 or 21 days. She's waiving that time requirement. We're asking for an adjourned PCC date. We are asking for discovery, but the prosecutor indicated that he may have sent it last night. I got to check that with evidence.com.
1, 2, or 3 weeks, Mr. Mays.
Long as possible, because we got to send a letter to Gary as well we're trying to get a second with sobriety court. And he's slow.
She's Rockwood. She's not eligible for my sobriety court, just to let you know. Because she's not contiguous.
Oh, so 33rd?
Yep.
Okay, all right, that'll work.
I can go 6 weeks out. I can leave it on my docket and do it August 23rd or if you want, or August 30th.
Let's do that if we could, please.
Let's do, Michelle, do August 30th. It doesn't matter what time.
Would you want early or later? Bill, what time do you want?
Anytime.
8:45 a.m.?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, and then you'll have to get it from Gary and then reach out to the 33rd. That would be my suggestion.
All right, sounds good. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Greathouse, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. All right, thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you. Same to you.
We still have somebody in with Mary Ann that won't connect their audio.
But jump in and ask Mr. Nunley about the one case.
I am.
that
I
was
tried to
assigned.
move him out and he won't
Okay.
come. Oh, it is that one.
We'll go in the courtroom.
How did he get it? He claims Tyler Drive.
Okay, sorry, jail. I was in the courtroom.
No, that's fine. Brian Brown, gonna do him sell side.
Oh, yeah, like okay, let's see what our problem is with that one. We were just talking about it. I never even had an attorney jump on.
Do you want to adjourn it?
Yeah, I don't even know what to do. I don't even know. I can't believe the attorney never showed.
Because I know we saw him last week. Sell side, so it's not like he wasn't seen last week. It was like 2 weeks adjourned. So do you want to just on paper adjourn it for right now? You got my cell phone number, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if need be, we can do this.
But
he's hit or miss.
Okay, I gotcha.
He's
So
taking
we're
psych
adjourning.
meds, so yeah, okay.
Okay, so we're adjourning it to,
A week from today?
sure.
Okay.
So we'll just do it again. Do you still want it 8:30 or do you want?
Well, no, if he's going to be sell side, he is never going to leave the psych board.
Okay.
So 11 o'clock's the best bet. And the reason being,
Oh,
because
okay.
we're going to postpone it anyways till 11 until we free up an officer and a computer.
I understand. Okay, I got you. And so I'll tell the judge it. So at 11. Okay,
And you
I
got my
got it.
number, so if there's any questions or concerns, you call me.
I will. Thank you so much.
All right, you have a blessed day and thank you.
Thanks, you too. Rima, did you get that?
For which case was
Bryant
that for? I'm
Brown.
sorry.
But the attorney never showed.
Who's the attorney?
Alexander Choate from NDS. So I'm gonna call NDS right now.
Brian Brown. What time was that set for?
8:30. He's in custody.
Oh. Oh, there it is. The really first one.
So I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, so that's set for next week, right? Or adjourned?
Yeah, till 11.
Okay. All right, thank you.
I think we're done until we go in the courtroom.
All right, I'm gonna come in there. I'm ready on everything.